Hi everybody, Brian here. Just give me a second here. Okay, so I want to talk about this article. It's been getting some attention on my Facebook group, Learning Math for Machine Learning and Artificial Intelligence Programming. So this is on Forbes. This guy was learning all these different courses. What he found was calculus and linear algebra. Found many online courses say you don't need much mathematics to be a programmer, but the beginning courses have underlying math. Was important to understand what was going on. I keep reading about complaints from people, especially that hire of literally young graduates that all they want to do is do data science for the money, but they don't understand about the math. So that's the big complaints that I'm getting. There is a remedial math, seems to be widespread, blah, 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 blah. And I've talked about this on where to go. So this was mentioned here on Khan Academy, an on-demand tutoring service called Yup. So Bill Gates, his favorite teacher is Sal from Khan Academy. I've mentioned them for many years. He goes through the different sections on calculus and linear algebra to help you out. It's very simple and intuitive. Step-by-step math problems, and it's free, and it's friendly on mobile as well. The problem is you're still going to run into problems with understanding the math equivalent, all this stuff. So what this guy was talking about was then, which I never went through, was this service called Yup, on-demand tutoring service. Back when I did it, maybe 4 or 5 years ago, these services didn't exist, but now here we are, and they do exist as a tutoring service geared towards younger students on elementary math, but most calculus questions were answered. So he provides a screenshot here. So, in essence, if you're wanting to do the math end of data science, machine learning, you need to do something like Khan Academy right here. That's highlighted. But here's the thing. I just came up across this answer on Quora. As a Wall Street quant, how do you understand mathematics behind quant finance? This is what typically goes on now, and I've never heard of this. One thing that happens in Wall Street is argument by mathematical intimidation. So somebody hands you 20 pages of Greek formulas, and you have to understand the math well enough to go through these 20 pages and say, this is crap, and to explain to an MBA with no math ability why these equations are garbage. So this guy's an ex-VP quant. I don't know where at, but I would assume he knows where he's talking about. So I'm a physicist, not a mathematician, so I focus on the math as tools to understand the markets. I also try not to get lost in the math since I'm more interested in what the math is describing than the math itself. Very interesting concept. I thought I'd put that out there for you. And if you are seeing at the top there that, yes, the real-time algo trading signals are up, I'll be keeping them up for a couple of days. If you're interested, let me know in a comment or, just a comment, and I'll send out the link to you if you are interested in this service. I'm going to keep it up for a couple of days. It's not going to be up for very much longer. And I am now going the next step to work on my older trading strategy for cryptocurrency on top of rolling it into Forex and CFD as well. But there's going to be no more lucrative trading strategy as have been seeing on my strategy. Yesterday it was 7%. I haven't checked today. I might do a video on that in the next little bit. All right, man. Talk to you later. Hope all is good. See you.